Is YouTube TV good for movies? It depends on your expectations. YouTube TV isn't primarily a movie-focused service, but it does offer some options for film enthusiasts. The platform includes access to select on-demand movies through partner networks like FX, TBS, and USA Network, which rotate their offerings periodically. However, the selection is limited compared to dedicated movie streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Prime Video. For newer or premium movies, YouTube TV's add-ons like HBO Max, SHOWTIME, or STARZ can expand your library, but these come at an extra cost. Additionally, live movie channels like TCM, Turner Classic Movies, and Freeform are included in the base package, making it a decent choice for classic films or holiday-themed movies. One advantage of YouTube TV is its cloud DVR feature, which lets you record movies airing on live TV to watch later. However, if your primary focus is accessing a vast library of on-demand movies, YouTube TV may not be the best fit. Pairing it with a dedicated movie streaming service might better suit your needs. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.